Today, we take a moment to honor and celebrate the people who have been the heart and soul of our company, the ones who believe in our dream from the very beginning, who stood firm through difficult challenges. The journey that brought us to where we stand now. This is the story of how we started.
Actually, I have been with Santa Lucia for 32 years now. Ang ventures actually nag-start ng July 2011. Nag-set up ako ng Singapore. Ang una kong talagang nakuha na staff was si Migs at saka si Jessica. Si Eric, si Helen, si Joyce. I did not recruit them, but they all willingly joined me sa Singapore. Nagulat na lang ako na si Anthony dumarating dito sa office at sumasama sa akin. Nung time na nagka-ventures, retired na si Eva from selling. Nagbabakasyon na lang yun eh, pabakasyon-bakasyon na lang. But we asked her, baka gusto mong sumali.
Mahirap kausapin si Bien that time because he was with another developer in Cavite. He decided to join us. Nalaman niya na yung mga previous inventories ng Santa Lucia Realty in Cavite, kaya niyang ibenta.
Si Annie used to be part of Anthony. Diba? So parang we encouraged her naman na parang gumawa ng sariling team niya, become a DVP also.
Si Tita Virgin noon talaga makulit. Hindi ko malaman kung saan niya nakuha yung cellphone number ko. Tapos she keeps on calling, tapos nakikiusap siya na kung pwede daw makapasok na siya. Porsigido siya to sell for Santa Lucia Marketing.
Nung si Lito Filia andi dito na, parang nagkaroon ng transition. Naging si Arlene na eventually yung nag-handle nung team ni Lito Filia. And yung mga DVP na yan, more than 20 years na rin namin kasama yan.
Previous marketing ko, never akong nakikipag-usap sa mga buyer. Pero ngayon, dahil sa mga DVPs, nakikipag-usap na ako.
Si Helen, alam ko may storya yan tungkol sa motorsiklo. Parang mag-exhibit siya, sumakay ng motorsiklo. Sa edad niya na yon, sumakay ng motorsiklo para lang makarating ng SM Pampanga. Si Eva, laging walang tigil sa kausap ang mga ahente niya at lahat. It's the same effort she comes here. Si Arlene is strict with her agents. Because magaling siya, she's able makabuo lagi ng team. Si Virgie, nung in-involve ni Virgie ang anak niya, gumanda ang benta niya. Si Bien, may anak din na broker.
Si Sir Anthony naman, madalas siya talaga akong kinakausap. Kasi magkatabi lang kami ng upuan. Tapos, sobrang namomotivate ako with my age. Kayang-kaya ko pa rin magawa kung ano yung nagawa ni Sir Anthony. So, Sir Anthony, alam mo na yan.
Yung pinaka naka-build ako ng relationship is with Anthony C. and Helen Borja. Why? Because dun sa dating marketing arm, kung ano yung pinaka mahirap ibentang project in ang Mono Rizal, walang gustong bumenta. Pero when I asked Anthony, when I asked Tita Helen, kailangan tayong magkaroon ng weekly na activity dito. Pinakamahirap na project, pero nakabenta kami ng 9 lots in a month na never nangyari. We were proud of what we achieved dahil ang hirap ng project na yon. So, doon kami nagkaroon ng bonding, kaya alam ko, kilala ko si Anthony, kilala ko si Tita Helen. Ako naman kay kay Sheila. I really commend Sheila. She is not only a DVP. She acted na akala mo empleyado siya. Mas maaga pa siya sa 8 a.m. She drives her own car during trippings. Kailangan magampanan niya yung tungkulin niya as DVP. Tapos, siya talaga yung kilala ng lahat ng salespersons lahat ng sales managers, lahat ng in-house sa Davao. Si Mike, no, same with Sheila. Iba talaga yung na-build na relationship namin with the DVPs because ang investment on Mike and Sheila, bukod dun sa relationship, sila yung may malasakit. Dahil syempre, ang layo ng Iloilo, tapos bihira mo naman mapuntahan. Pero Mike is there. He ensures na available siya dun sa client's needs, dun sa office needs, even yung pag-administer talaga ng mismong office and the projects, mapagkakatiwalaan si Mike. Sa lahat ng DVPs, from Arlene, Helen, Bien, Anthony, Annie, Virgie, Sheila, Mike, wala akong ibang masasabi kundi talagang maraming salamat because kayo talaga yung bumuo ng Santa Lucia Marketing. Without you, hindi magiging ganito, hindi magkakaroon ng #1 marketing arm. Kayo yung tinitingala ng bagong group ng in-house. Kayo rin yung tinitingala ng mga empleyado on how you've made yourself successful even na nasa ganitong age na kayo. Ang dami-dami nyo ng achievements and yet talagang pursigido pa rin kayo magtrabaho. Maraming salamat sa inyo, sa malasakit nyo sa Santa Lucia Marketing.
Throughout the years, you have been the steady force behind the success of Santa Lucia Marketing. From humble beginnings to where we proudly stand today, your vision and determination have been the guiding light of our company, turning dreams into reality, challenges into opportunities. You stayed with us through thick and thin, not just a partner, but as a family.
2011 was a very memorable year for me because that's when Santa Lucia Marketing started. But 2012 was even more memorable because that was the time when Helen, Eva, Arlene, Annie, Anthony, Bien, Virgie, Sheila, and Mike joined Santa Lucia Marketing. It was even, Santa Lucia Marketing would not have been in fruition if not for all of them. Santa Lucia Marketing would not be #1 if not for the effort that they have exerted. For 13 years now, these DVPs have continuously excelled. They have continued without hesitation. They deliver the best service. They deliver the best sales for everyone. Customer service at par. Selling skills #1. So, wala ka nang hahanapin pa because everything is in them. Hindi ko ipagpapalit itong mga to because sa totoo lang, I also want to thank them for the trust that they have given me, for the trust that they have given the company, because they can choose not to sell for Santa Lucia Marketing, but because of, again, relationship that we have built over the years, the trust has magnified, and because of that, for them, there's no other place but Santa Lucia Marketing. So from the bottom of my heart, from the bottom of everyone's heart here in Santa Lucia Marketing, we thank all of you. We don't know of any perfect time to honor all of you and to thank you, but except of this Christmas. To all the DVPs, we truly thank you for all the wonderful years that you have been with us. We are truly indebted for all the good things that you have given the company. And we really look forward to more years working with you. You are all epitomes of a champion. Thank you and Merry Christmas.
Words are not enough to express our deepest gratitude to all of you. Your trust, loyalty, and unwavering belief in us have been the heart of everything we do. Your success is our success, and every milestone we reach has been made possible because of you. Thank you for believing in us, for growing with us, and for being part of our journey.